Okay guys, it's your boy Sammy Crown, and today I'll be teaching you how to create write-ups, articles and little blog posts using your Canva to create or generate this. Before we continue, I will beg you to actually subscribe on this YouTube channel and also like and comment on this video. Also, all you just need to do is to have your Canva app on your phone, on your gadget. You can either have it on your phone or your laptop. So having this is open now. So the next thing you just have to do is click on your document. After clicking on your document, you go to your plus here. You click on your plus here, then you click on document again as you have it. Now you have something like this. Then here you can click 10 ways to be proactive. For example, 10 ways to be proactive. Then after having this, you can highlight it like this and then try to do your magic write-up, then edit. Now you have something like this. Now alright, now you have something like this. You see what it just did for you? So already it helps you to write, so you can repeat this time and time again. So thank you very much as you stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel and also like and comment on this video. Thank you very much.